goosebumps. She's so numb right now, but it's so much worth it when she sees herself tomorrow. But it just feels so good to know that we've done something very special, very unique, and every patient has special, unique hair. Don't be judging or comparing yourself to anybody else because your circumstances may be very, very different. So let's just feel great about each emotion that we share with our patients. Logistics.
Wow, they look, yeah, really good. Really good.
You look so pretty.
I love that.
Like, wait until tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
I said it was some. What you leaving when? Tomorrow or Saturday?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow what time?
Early.
Like early flight.
Yeah.
So make sure that she doesn't leave yet. Make sure that we take the impression for the guard. Then we polish everything. By the time that the impression is ready, that we're ready to deliver, her anesthesia will be off because I want you to be out of here more comfortable. Like the bite and the polishing, but with the guard. Deal? I'm very honored because everything that we thought about, everything that we discussed is coming clearly true. So it's great.